guys, so today this week we are going to do a week in my life. I am a freelance photographer and I think it's really interesting that every day is not the same. So my bad, I'm starting this vlog on Wednesday after finishing a job already, but I'll put in some like Snap or Instagram stories right here so you guys can get the gist of it. It was basically just headshots, super easy job, and it was at a conference downtown in Chicago, the Hyatt Hotel. So it was really easy, really awesome. People were really, like, super nice, and I got to just like work on my laptop for the whole day. Yeah, and now I'm gonna be filming some YouTube videos that's centered more around like Christmas, like a gift guide. So if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and click the link in the description box below. I'm sure it should be there. If I'm a good YouTuber, it should be there. So yeah, I finished the job at 11 a.m. It's now 2 p.m. so I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. So like I said, I already finished my day, and this is my journal. I write everything in this journal. Screenshots here, my Instagram story. But yeah, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'm always really active on there, so go ahead and follow me on there if you haven't already. Just shameless plug there for you. But yeah, like I said, YouTube video, plan for like my Instagram content. I want to go to the gym. I haven't gone to the gym in a long time. Well, in like 2-3 days. But I feel like I haven't been consistent. You know what I mean? And then I have to get batteries. I bought this like flash thing for my Canon camera for the event that I have tomorrow night, which is like a Christmas party. So I'm excited for that one. I needed a flash thing to go with that. I also need batteries because it doesn't come with a rechargeable battery. I don't know why batteries still exist. I hate buying batteries. And then I'm just gonna have to write a blog post. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, we're at Jewel. Learn to carry reusable bags, even though it's Target. Groceries secured. But I feel like they're being kind of like sexist. Well, not sexist, because it's talking about age. Ages? I don't know what it's called, but they didn't have puppy food. So let's go grab some puppy food. They only had adult food. Poor little puppy. Poor my little puppy. Poor me. Because now I have to go find his puppy food. Let's see. Where can I go? Okay, I can go to PetSmart. Now we're in Petco. Wait, Petco. I'm trying. I just saw a Cassie Neistat vlog, so maybe that's what's inspiring this type of filming. But he's so good. God, he's so good. Okay, let's go. So since Ollie is a puppy and a toy poodle, I'm gonna give him this dog food, see, puppy, and a small breed. So let's go. Hey guys, what's up? It is now the 12th. This morning I just spent editing, which it was long. It was even like hard editing. I was just like doing headshots behind a white curtain, or like, you know, the white background, and it was really wrinkly, so I had to smooth out those wrinkles, and there's so many photos, so that took so much of my time. But I'm already showered and ready to go to the next event, which is a party, and I have my gear already. Look at this giant, like, this is a whole big setup. This is like the biggest setup I've ever had. Like the heaviest I've ever had my camera. It's very interesting, very heavy, but I'm excited. I'm probably gonna leave and like, it starts at 7. I'm gonna leave at like 6:20. It's now like basically 6. But yeah, if I vlog tonight, it's probably gonna be with my phone, because it would just be because I always vlog with this Sony instead of that Canon, and I don't want to take too much equipment with me. I have my book bag, and I'm only going to use one lens because I feel like only one lens is needed for events like that. But yeah, I'm excited. Ow. My like ear thing comes out. See, it's open and it doesn't have the little like little ball to hold it there because I don't know how to put that thing in. So yeah, I just had to fix that. But yeah, I just have my SD card holder if I ever need it, but I have like a really big memory on that. I'm thinking about taking my 50 mil, but like it's for portraits and I don't think I'll need it. So I think I'm just all ready to go. So I'll take you guys along, and I think afterwards I might go to the gym because like I've been writing down my priorities, and gym is definitely one of my priorities right now, and I didn't go before just because, like I said, editing took so long that I just didn't have the chance to go, but I really want to go today, so I probably will get my gym bag ready right now, which actually I should do. Okay, I am now at Planet Fitness because one of the priorities today that I wrote down in my journal was to go to the gym. So I'm here at the gym at 9:43. I think I only came here because the guy at the guy that hired me for the holiday shoot, he let me go. Like, he was almost gonna let me go like an hour early, and then I was like, you know what, let me just like stay, take a couple pictures. But I left like 30 minutes earlier, which was great. And he was like, I wasn't gonna do it because it would be unprofessional, but he was like, yeah, there's food, you can eat, you can drink too, you can be drunk as long as you take good photos. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. I mean, it was totally a company that was like really millennials, like all millennials. I didn't even see like a really old person there, so it was, maybe that's why he was so cool and relaxed, but he was really awesome. The party was really cool. It was like an art exhibit, and there's like interactive art, so it was really cool. But yeah, I left 30 minutes early, and I was like, and I packed my bag for the gym, so I was like, now I have to go. Like, if you let me off 30 minutes early, like, I just have to. So let's go. Guys, oh, here's a little Ollie for you. Hello, Ollie. Hello, baby. He's intrigued by the lens. Oh. But yeah, I am packing up my book bag. I'm going to another shoot. This time it's gonna be like a little like holiday thing at I think it's a hair salon. I think she does this every year. It's probably like a little kid salon because they're gonna have like Santa Claus there and they're gonna take pictures. What, little Ollie? Did you hear him cry? But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so it's editing me. I totally forgot to keep filming for this vlog. I went to that shoot and I totally forgot my Canon batteries, so then I had to, and I got there early, but then I had to leave because then I realized that I forgot my battery, go to Best Buy, come back with a new battery for my camera. I felt so like embarrassed, but it literally only took me like 16 minutes there and back. So, but it was good. She really loved the pictures and everything, and everything turned out good. For these jobs, I usually get them on Upwork, which is really great for freelancers. I think if you do freelance anything, you could be on that website, but basically it's kind of like a Yelp for freelancers. So you have your quote, you have your like past projects, you showcase your work and stuff like that, and then you get contacted, or you can contact people that need work for like a holiday event, for a work party. You can like put in a proposal, tell them, hey, look at my portfolio, I'm totally free on that day. I can totally do this for you. Check out my work, something like that. Or if all these jobs contacted me personally, which is awesome. And they're like, hey, what's your rate? Are you available this day? Can I see your like portfolio? Which, my website. And yeah, they booked, and all the payment, everything is through Upwork. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it. It's really a great way to like start. And then afterwards you get their like, oh sorry, and afterwards you get their like contact information, because Upwork does take like 20% of the cut. But I mean, without Upwork, you wouldn't have the job anyways, so it's not that bad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.